Friends, on this video I will show you how to set answer and ending call strips in Samsung mobile phone. First of all, you have to go on your phone, then you can find your three dot, just click your three dot, and you can find your settings. Then you can see your answering and ending calls, just click here. Then you can find your read caller names, allow. If you want to turn on, you can turn on this one also. It's good. You can find it over Bluetooth and headphones only. You can see. Then here, answer automatically. You can set after 2 seconds, after 5 seconds. Here, custom time also. You can set here. Automatically answer incoming calls after a set time while a headset or a Bluetooth device in connect. You can see here. Then you can find here press volume press volume up to answer calls. You can see here volumes. If you want to pick up calls, you can set this one also. Then you can find here press side button to end calls. You can see here. If you want to off the side, if you want to end calls, just click here side button. You can see here press side button, just on if you want to set like this. Then if you love the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.